Hello everyone, welcome back to channel My JE Physics. Here we are going with a new question which involves with the thermodynamics, and usually I have picked up this question to explain how degree of freedom is related with the process. So everybody, I think it's a very short question to read, and I request everybody to read the question and try yourself and come back for the solution. Okay, so in this question is given that degree of freedom is given directly, so that's why nature of the gas is not required, so it's simply they have given ideal gas. Usually in the questions they will give either monoatomic gas or diatomic gas in respect of IIT JEE exam, because usually in the syllabus we are having the mono and diatomic gases, but here they have given directly degree of freedom, so we are going to use the same thing. Such that pressure increases proportionally to the volume of the gas. See, as I keep say that always read the question carefully. Okay, so in the question you will find three parts. One is called as the first part of the question, usually we call it as data. So required data they will give. Second part of the question they will give the condition of the question. In the question they will give you some condition, we have to follow that condition so that you will get the required answer. Okay, the third thing is they'll ask you something in the question. Okay, so this is the question format. Usually you see any question, these are the three formats they follow. Okay, so by what factor will the absorbed heat by the gas is greater than the work done by the gas during the process? See, this is the third part. Okay, this is the question what we need to solve. This is the question condition, second part, and this is the data question, first part. So like that any question can be separated into three different parts. Okay, so follow this method. I think definitely it will give you good clarity on reading the question. Okay, so let us get into the question. So in the question they have given that pressure increases proportionally to the volume of the gas. So I am taking the question condition, which is second part of the question, which is P proportional to V. So whenever it comes to P proportional to V or something, I mean the process which is not of isothermal, adiabatic, isochoric and isobaric. Okay, so then obviously it is polytropic. So always I suggest to the students to follow the polytropic process carefully, so that you can solve all the questions easily. So which is PV raised to x constant, where x not equal to 1, okay, not equal to even 0, not equal to gamma. Okay, not equal to infinity also you can take, but that's not suggestible. So under this condition we can write down the work done as nRT by 1 minus x. Okay, this is the work done, and C value is equal to CV plus R by 1 minus x. So if I know the CV value, I can go for dq value, which is NC dt. Okay, so where C is the specific capacity of the gas for this process. For the gases, as the process changes, C value changes. Okay, so you can see from here, from this expression, so C value depends on the x. As x value changes, process changes, even C value also changes. Okay, so I think this particular discussion is known thing to you. Otherwise, once revise polytropic process. So in the polytropic process, if you can remember all these four equations, then that's it, you can solve the question. So let us see, they are asking the heat absorbed and work done. Okay, so both the expressions we are having here with us. Then let us change in terms of polytropic. PV raised to minus 1 is equal to constant, so that means x value is equal to minus 1. Okay, so then work done, so I'll write down the small work done, which I can write down as nR dt by 1 minus x for polytropic process, which I can write down nR dt by 1 minus of minus 1, which is nR dt by 2. This is the work done, small work done. Then heat absorbed by the gas is equal to, I can write down NC dt, but C value is equal to N into CV plus R by 1 minus X direct form apply into dt. So n into CV value I can write down FR by 2, because they have not given the any what do you say, that gas nature, they have given degree of freedom. Okay, so I'm writing in terms of degree of freedom, which is F by 2 R CV value plus R by 1 minus X, which will be 1 plus 1, X value is minus 1. Okay, so if you keep, it will be plus 1. So then obviously dq value will become n into here also R by 2, in both the terms R by 2 is there, so I'm taking the R by 2 common. Okay, into dt also I can write down, then it is simply F plus 1. Okay, so this is the dq value, this is the dq, and this is the dw. They are asking the factor, means we need to go for by what factor will the absorbed heat by the gas greater than work done. So they are asking the greater or less equality, inequality condition. So dq by dw is equal to nr dt by 2 into F plus 1 by nr dt by 2. So automatically we get F plus 1. So the factor is obviously the greater by how much? It is F plus 1. So this is the required answer. So you can solve the question very easily when you remember the something related to concept, and it all depends on how fast you are solving. The fastness of the solving the question also depends on how you are understanding the question. Okay, so please strengthen your theoretical part and try to remember what you are reading also. Okay, so definitely those ideas will give you to solve the other questions. So hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, enjoyed this question. So if you really enjoyed, please hit the like button, and please share with your friends also the same thing, and support the channel. And if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, and we'll meet with a next beautiful question.